Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. This is a series of video tutorial about tools and tricks available in Revit. So today we're going to see a flip arrow option which is in the Revit family and Revit projects. Before that, have you seen Autodesk University in which is happening right now? And if you are missing that, you have to register and you can watch if you are belongs to AEC industry. So you must watch this AECO industry keynote which is happening right now. So the thing is that as always, AEC industry have tremendous change. Autodesk leads the way, and they are introducing AI into Revit. That's the main thing that happens. And apart from that, there here and there are many things happening, renaming the existing platforms from Autodesk ACC to Pharma. Things are happening like that. So which is used to happen. Always they rebrand it as something different. So right now they are rebranding ACC to Pharma, something that they mix up with the other platforms. They said that even they're coming up with new tools and faster design and other things. You must watch this, and whether you are watching this video or not. And let's dive into this small tooltip. You will have option when you're going inside the family. You'll have a creating option that control flip arrow options are available, and in project if you are selecting any system family, some of the system family have double arrows like this. So what happens when you click this, it exactly mirrors that particular wall. The wall will go opposite side like this. When you select the family, door family or window family, you will see these arrows, double arrows like this. The same thing we can do it in our family, that gorgeous family that I made it here for understanding, for easy understanding. So we have different options in the flip arrows. You can see that after clicking the control, you can see that single vertical and vertical, you know that horizontal two ways it's available. We'll discuss only about the vertical, single and double. What is the difference? So I have made it two and I have loaded that into the project. Let's see what happens. If I press the left side single arrow and press right side on the double arrow, and very simple, you can see that it's rotated, and I can click the second time, it's rotated. I can click the second time, it's rotated. So it's rotating 180 degrees for single arrow. For a double arrow, you can see the text, it's shifted, not only rotated, it's shifted, means it's flipping, it's mirroring the object. That's the purpose of this flip arrow. So make sure that when you have a 3D model text, the double arrow will make the 3D text as like this, the bizarrest thing like this. So make sure that you have a proper arrow, and if you're not having the 3D model text when you're using this kind of errors. I hope this tutorial small trick helped you, and do let me know if you have any confusions in Revit tools that you wanted to learn if you're a beginner. And I can, or advanced tool also, you can ask, I can make a video about it. And do chat in the comments. I can collaborate with you. And as BIMmodeler.com, we do BIM services for architect and engineers, MEP engineers specifically, and family creations for manufacturers. Do let me know if you have any leads, or if you're watching this, you need a hands-on helping. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.